holes I want to hit first. I think I want to go in these holes.
Got the nuts on there.
I don't have any match stems. You got any match stems right there?
I'm getting the mirror put on. Look good.
Good to me.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on this 2015 Toyota Tacoma. This sucker is a Stryker design. In the last video, you saw us getting the brake situated, getting the power steering situated. We're hopefully going to get rid of that big sign on the window that says no brakes. So what I think we're going to do today, we're going to pull this sucker out back. We're going to put the doors together. We're going to get the front end together. We're going to get it a nice wash. Hopefully we'll get to take it down the road today. Can't wait to see how it turns out. Can't wait to see how it all looks, especially when it's clean. That's enough talking. Let's get to work.
Perfect.
Getting the mirror put on. Mr. Cool View. Let's put this mirror on. Oh yeah. Gonna put the mirror on. Objects in the rearview mirror are closer than day. Oh, because it's got the nuts on there, goofball. Got the nuts on there. Let's put the mirror on. For the 15th time. Yeah, I had the nuts on. How about that? Do, 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 do. Man, we got everything going our way. Everything is going 100%. What we're going to do now is we're going to try to put these headlights in, put the front end together, put some of this stuff back on, kind of see how it all looks. Maybe we'll put the front bumper together real quick, get all that going. So let's see how it looks. Let's hop to it, and let's get it done. Man, and just like that, this front end came to life. Can't believe how good it's looking. It's really looking like a $100 bill right now. It looks just super slick and super sleek. The light bars really accent this thing. We're super pumped up. We got the whole front end put back together. We'll catch up with you guys tomorrow in the morning. It is the next day here. What a difference a day makes. It's really cool this morning in the 20s. But you know what? We brought our wheels with us today. These are Fuel Mavericks. We got 3 of them. Number 4 is a brand new one. It's the absolute most we've ever paid for a wheel, $477. But these are 20 by 12s, big old wheels for a Tacoma. Some of these things, they got a little bit of nicks here and there, so we want to get them cleaned up. We want to get them touched up. We want to at least test fit the ones that we have and see how it looks on the truck. We got to finish up our brakes. We just got a bunch of stuff to do to this truck. So why don't we stop talking and let's get to work. Alrighty guys, we've been working on this truck all day long. Everything's coming together on it. We got that suspension changed out. We got the brakes all set up like we want it. We got the paint out. We touched up these wheels just a little bit where they had a little bit of curb rash. We didn't want to take the tires off and tape them all up, paint them all. when odds are they're probably just gonna get skinned again. So we touched them up and made them look really, really, really good. So then we jumped on putting some flat black paint up under the fenders. Everything is looking 100%. Gotta work on our front end alignment just a little bit, and we're still missing that one tire, and we got some epic stuff to go on the inside of this thing. But I think we ran out of time, guys, for this episode. If you like videos like this and you like the content, drop us a like. It really helps us out. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Catch you guys next time. We're out.